Hello again, everybody. This is me, Ashana. I would like to advertise our job for interview on November 6. We have a lot of jobs scheduled on November 6, Monday. So the first one will be this is a support and guidance for international students. So we need 5 people for this. So this is an office job. The job location is in Maybashi City in Gunma Prefecture, and we are looking for we prefer Indonesian, Thailand, Sri Lankan, and Myanmar Jin for this. So again, this is a support and guidance for international students. So we need at least N2 Japanese for this, and there will be another one. This is a confectionery manufacturing and sales operation. So this is located in Taitoku in Tokyo. The Japanese level for this will be conversational Japanese. So we need 2 people for this, and the salary starts from 212,000 to 350,000. And there will be bonus also. So if you are willing to apply for this, please comment down below. And there's another one. This is a restaurant job located in Sakuragawa City in Ibaraki. So we are looking for 2 people for this, and the job description is kitchen and hall. So there is also bonus for this twice a year, and the salary starts from 229,000 yen to 273,000 yen. So the bonus for this will be twice a year, and this is a hall and kitchen job located in Sakuragawa City in Ibaraki. And there is also a Taiwanese restaurant located in Chowu Ward, Tokyo. We are looking for 2 people for this, and the job description is also hall and kitchen. So this is also scheduled for interview on November 6, Monday. So again, the Japanese level for this will be conversational. So if you are willing to apply for our jobs, we have more jobs scheduled for interview every day. You can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. Thank you.